Everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back. I'm Neha, life coach and law of attraction coach. Guys, today I came up along with the most crucial part for you all of law of attraction. Have you watched the secret movie? If you have not watched, then today I'm presenting most important points of law of attraction from the movie. There are many people, those who have tried and tested law of attraction in their real life and gotten best results, and they have shared their opinions in that movie. So today, let me first tell you the first point of law of attraction, and that clarity and definition of desire. Guys, do you know law of attraction says that if you are not clear in your mind what exactly you want, how much money do you want, which kind of relationship you want to attract in your life, which kind of finances you want, which kind of things do you really need in your life, until and unless you are not clear in your mind, you won't get any kind of result. Do you know why? Because to attract anything in your life, you exactly should know what exactly you want. So, the first thing is that it should be extremely clear that in this month I want this amount of money, and then your attraction will happen. Because if you are not clear, universe also will be absolutely confused, and you also will be absolutely confused that what exactly you want. So first point of law of attraction is have the clarity in your mind and a definition of desire. What exactly you want and what will happen by getting it in your life. You have to be absolutely clear in your mind, because there are many people, they only say I want to be successful, but what kind of success they want, this is not clear to them. That's why many don't become successful. So the first point is important, clarity and the definition of desire, which kind of desire you have and what will happen if you get it. So I hope you understood this. The first point we are done. Let's see second point in the next video. Bye bye. I hope you understood.